to my video on why is it that you times by 1,000 rather than divide. So I wanted to go through and say, yes, you are right. 1 decimeter cubed does equal 1,000 centimeters cubed. So if we take our number, which was 2 times 10 to the minus 8 moles per centimeter cubed, and we actually turn that into a decimal point, you can quite clearly see our number. Now, if we divide that by 1,000, what we're actually going to get is we're going to get 2 times 10 to the minus 11. Now that is going to change the concentration, and that's actually going to make it smaller. Now that's not what we wanted to do. What we wanted to do is we wanted to understand that 1 centimeter cubed, we're going to convert that into decimeters cubed. So 1 centimeter cubed is actually 10 to the minus 3 decimeters cubed. So what we're saying is a decimeter cubed is 1,000 times bigger than a centimeters cubed, and we will therefore multiply our number by 1,000 to get the correct concentration. So our 2 times 10 to the minus 8 moles per centimeters cubed times by 1,000, now we can see that that is 1,000 times bigger, which is 2 times 10 to the minus 5. So let's just go through and try a couple more to see if we can get this. So we've been told that a researcher measures the volume of a mitochondrion in a cell and finds that the mean volume of a mitochondrion is 8.0 times 10 to the minus 13. Again, they've given it to us in centimeters cubed, and then they've told us about the mean number of ATP molecules as being 4.0 times 10 to the minus 9. So now, again, we use our concentration, and our moles divided by volume is our equation that we're going to use. So if I do my equation this way, I've got 4.0 times 10 to the minus 9 divided by 8.0 times 10 to the minus 13. That therefore would give me 5,000. I times that by 1,000, I get my 5 million. I turn that into a standard form, 5.0 times 10 to the 6 moles per decimeter cubed. Now let's just remind ourselves, 1 centimeter cubed is 10 to the minus 3 decimeters cubed. So if I actually bring that into my equation, so this time I can do the 4.0 times 10 to the minus 9 divided by my 8.0 times 10 to the minus 13 times my 10 to the minus 3. That will therefore give me 4.0 times 10 to the minus 9 divided by 8.0 times 10 to the minus 16, which also gives me my answer, which is 5.0 times 10 to the 6. And we can do it with any numbers that they give us if we remember that our decimeter cubed is greater than our centimeters cubed. So if we were to think of it as an analogy, we could in a sense say, if you know the price of, let's say, a centimeter of ribbon, and that centimeter of ribbon is going to cost you 2 pence per centimeter, how do you find the price per meter? So for you to have a meter, you would therefore multiply that 2 pence by 100, because there's 100 centimeters in a meter. So therefore that is 100 times bigger than a centimeter. So a decimeter is 1,000 times bigger than a centimeter. That is why we multiply by 1,000. I hope that's helped answer your question.